If your Google Chrome screen is shifting to the right or left, or the layout looks slightly off-center, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes to get Chrome back to normal. These steps are simple, safe and work well if the problem started suddenly after an update, a display change, or a graphics issue. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first fix is to disable graphics acceleration. This is one of the most common reasons Chrome can behave strangely on certain devices. To do that, open Google Chrome, then click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and click System. In the System section, find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available, sometimes called Hardware Acceleration. Turn that option off. After that, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Go ahead and click Relaunch so the change can take effect. After Chrome restarts, check whether the screen shift issue is gone. In many cases, just turning off hardware acceleration is enough to fix display problems, especially if Chrome was using your graphics card in a way that caused the page to render incorrectly. If the issue is still there, don't worry. We've got another fix to try. The next step is to update Google Chrome. An outdated browser can cause all sorts of visual glitches, including screen shifting, layout problems, and strange display behavior. To update Chrome, click the three-dot menu again, then go to Help and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install anything that's pending. You don't have to manually download anything. Just let the browser finish the process, and once the update is complete, click Relaunch if prompted. Updating Chrome is important because Google regularly releases fixes for performance and display issues. So even if this problem looks like a screen alignment issue, it may actually be caused by a bug in an older version of the browser. After relaunching, open a few websites and see if Chrome is now displaying correctly. If the screen is still shifting, the third fix is to clear browsing data and reset Chrome-related cached files. Sometimes corrupted cache or cookies can affect how pages load and make the browser look misaligned. To clear this data quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. In that menu, make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, and also select Cookies if needed. Then click Delete Data. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the display problem, while keeping the browser itself intact. After the cleanup is done, restart Chrome and test it again. At this point, one of these methods usually fixes the issue. First, turn off graphics acceleration. Second, update Chrome. Third, clear cache data and cookies. If the screen still shifts after all of that, you may also want to check your system display settings, zoom level, or browser extensions, since those can sometimes affect how Chrome appears on screen. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the Google Chrome screen shifting to the right or left. If it did, please give this video a like and make sure to subscribe for more quick solutions, step-by-step tutorials, and helpful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.